Number 1, almost. I am almost ready to go outside. Almost. Number 2, getting. As he was getting ready, the pasta was cooking. Getting. Number 3, laughed. After the movie, we laughed and laughed. Laughed. Number 4, another. Hand me another pencil, will you? Another. Number 5, into. When I crawled into the tunnel, all I could see was black. Into. Number 6, time. When is it lunchtime? Time. Number 7, glide. I can't wait to watch my paper airplane glide through the air. Glide. Number 8, July. July is a summer month. July. Number 9, supply. Our supply of pencils can get dull sometimes. Supply. Number 10, light. Please turn on the light. Light. Number 11, high. Airplanes fly high in the sky. High. Number 12, mice. Mice are a type of rodent. Mice. Number 13, smile. Smile for the camera, my mom said. Smile.